president torio wikaine ta Pastor Dorcas Rigathi niathiete na mbere na kuhimbiria kana guthi na mbere na kuonania kioneki giake gia gutigirira ati ni aruguri ceceni ya kurunga mitugo akiaria kana thutha wake gukorwo akiamukira githomo kuma bururiini wa Israel na kuria acerete niguo kumenya uria ceceni ta ino igikorwo igitwarithio ritana-ini riake ria gutigirira ati mwana wa kahii gĩkĩro-inĩ kĩa Mount Kenya na makiria bũrũri wothe nĩakorwo gĩthema kumanagia na ũhũthĩri wa ndawa cia gũbũgũgia maya mokĩte rĩrĩ nake munini wa president athiĩte na mbere na kuonania ritana rĩake rĩa gũtigĩrĩra atĩ nĩahũthĩraga na ndawa cia kũrebia na makiria njohi ngananie gĩkĩro-inĩ kĩa Mount Kenya.
The Holy Land of Israel and benchmark on health village that we have been talking about in our country, about the boy-child program, which we want to start the rehabs and all that. So I have visited 2 areas. That is Karizon and the village that I have found quite a lot of we have experienced some of the people who are there. Some were living, and today we just had one of them speak, and I see there is hope even in our country. They are the one which we also visited, and I believe that the kind of treatment that is going here, it is it's a holistic kind of a program that addresses the individuals in an in-depth way, open. It is not a hospital, it is not a body, it is a place where the people who come here, they go out having been initiated into a life that is of independence. They just are free. If you look around and you see the kind of rooms that are here and the people who are here, it's just a wonderful place. That to call them rehab, they are homes. So these are homes and health villages that help the young people and even the middle-aged people to be able to recollect their lives and redefine themselves, become a people who will be able to be productive in the communities.
We are more than willing to help and give any guidance that you need in order to open a place like that at Kenya. And our home is your house, is your home.